Hello, my name is Forrest, I got some things to say. I hope you have a really, really, really nice day. Hello, my name is Forrest, I smile when I speak.
Good morning, you guys. How are we doing? Hop on good old Black Molasses. We're gonna go meet up with some buddies and get out of town and do a little riding today. Looking forward to it. Oh, that's a Grig. And we got the whole crew getting ready to go. Everybody's getting fired up. Oh, they're getting real happy already. It's gonna be a good day.
Do you think they've realized that we're not there? They're gone, dude.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they...
Philosophy, which holds one race superior and another, and abandoned.
Alright. Okay.
I don't know what they were playing. I'm pretty sure I didn't actually read the song. I'm pretty sure it said 7. Somebody's getting it. I can feel it. I can feel the engine in the building. I should have had my camera on a little while ago. We got a little bit of nice twisties, a couple of good falls back there. Woo! Man, but it wasn't on video. Ah! You know, if it's not on video, it's like it didn't even happen. That means we got to do that again.
Alone. Sometimes I just need a light. Could call you on the phone. You're just on the other side. So when your tears roll down your...
What is it? Oh, that's a heart. Aw. I couldn't figure out what that was. It was like landscape.
My neck to smithereens. That cow's like, that cow's just staring like, what are those little two-wheel machines out there? What is this?